Welcome to Dean's N-Scale Trains, my YouTube video channel where I talk about everything N-scale. Today I'm going to start a new layout. I'm going to show you my design process for designing this layout. It's an L-shaped layout that just fits in a space in my garage that I've carved out for it. One leg is 72 by 36 inches. The other one is 102 by 36 inches. So let's get started and I'll show you the design first. In future videos, I'm going to show you how I'm going to build the table, how I'm going to lay down track, then I'll scenic it, build some mountains and tunnels, and then put in some cities with buildings and industrial sites. I really like to build things using modern 3D printing techniques from resin to PLA, and I'll be talking about that along the way, so stay tuned. Here's the basic track plan. As you can see, it's just a folded oval going around twice. If you start anywhere on the main line and trace it around, you'll find that the main line goes around twice and back onto itself. It's a single track, basically. B and D, there's a bridge that is 2 inches above the track below it. Going from point A to B, the track rises at approximately 2% until it reaches a height of 2 inches. Going from C to D, the track also rises at approximately 2%, ending up at 2 inches. Now let's make this double oval more interesting. I've added 2 sets of crossovers between the 2 parallel tracks that run across the middle of the line. This basically breaks it up into 2 ovals. The yellow oval, which is the valley route, and the green oval, which is the upper mountain route. They come together in the yard with the double crossovers where they share the red track. This makes for some interesting operational possibilities, running 2 trains. Now let's give the train something to do. I've added a station and a team track in the middle here by the 2 crossovers. Note that the crossovers can be used as to define a runaround track when we start to put together our train. Now I've added a 2-track yard shown in black going off to the center. That, in conjunction with the runaround track, can be used to sort our trains as we set them up. But the railroad still needs some sort of major revenue producer. So at the top of the layout in black, I've added 2 service tracks that take care of a mine, with the building shown in black. And finally, I've added 2 industrial tracks, one down below in black and one right in the middle that's serving a couple of industries. And that defines the rest of our railroad. So here's the end of our railroad design. As you can see, it has a lot of operational situations, several industries and a big mine to serve, a yard for sorting cars, 2 tracks that the trains could be run around on simultaneously if you're careful. One nice thing about this is you could build this in parts. First build the central loop, and then the crossovers, and then add as you go along the other sidings. Please follow my channel in the coming months as I start to build this railroad. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below. As always, thanks for watching Dean's N-Scale Trains. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.